Dodge Dart Sport. Let's see if I can get in there. Dash assembly. Used to be blue. It's extra crispy now, so see what we can do for it. Show you how much of this VIN you want to see here. G code 318. Wires are a little rough. I got a couple more cars I can steal some out of. Get to deal with these connectors at some point. I'm going to pull it apart, clean it up today. Give you all a view of that. There we are, quick view of the backside. Notice a lot of people wonder why these rust right here. And I'll open it up more in just a second. Windshields leak, or the wiper seals. I don't think I've ever had one with a speaker that looked that good in it. So maybe this car had an easy life, I don't know. The Deluxe. I'm probably not going to reuse that. Wires are a little grimy, but not terrible. Fuse box. If I can get a closer view on it, sorry. Had one burn out or something, it looks like. I'm going to replace that. Looks pretty bad. Anyway, we'll snatch this harness out. Pretty simple. And since I'm filming this, I don't actually have to take pictures of where it all went. It's pretty simple. Main harness, couple folders, yeah, clamps, unplug our big one. I'll put you on over here. There we go. Looks pretty good. Don't want to break these. Hope you can see that. Come on through there. Easy unplug. Follow that. There it is. Boom, boom. Might as well pull that all the way out together. Put it in there. Little screwdriver. 3/8. Lucky factory ground some kind. I'm gonna put that screw back in there for now. These are notorious for burning out. You can see them. A lot of people replace it, throw it away, bypass it, whatever. Do what you want to. Nope. That post in. It could matter later. Black's on the right, red's on the left. sure this is the same as a 74 Plymouth Duster. Almost sure. Somebody out there may tell me I'm way wrong. Alright, got it flipped back over. Take off our door. Take out the dash. 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See what I can get done. Top 3 were black. You can see those. Bottom 3 were chrome or supposed to be. Yeah. Try to put it back correctly. Might have to break some of this off. Okay. A lot easier out of the car. Ta-da! Set it down. Custom wood grain. I'm gonna fix that too. There's a cable holding this door. Get it? And one, I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws holding the door to the hinge. I'll get a short screwdriver. Harbor Freight Special. For now, I'll throw these screws in the glove box so I don't lose them. Number 3. Number 4. Definitely used to be blue. Screw to something. Looks like it. Uh-oh. Shoot him out of there. plastic looks pretty good. Hopefully I don't break it. There it is. Throw the clips in. There we go. Tiny rubber snubber that I broke off. Perfect. There's another one. Got a pack of these. Throw it in. Extra crispy. Do it the right way. Take the hinge off. Those screws don't have a point on them. There's 3 of them. Come on. Got that third bolt out for the hinge. Sorry, it's right there. And showing you these defroster vents. Notice that one's got a hose on it. These little jewels have a tab that sticks out right there. Let me get it closer. If you don't push in on that tab, it will tear the boot. So the other side was already off. It's hanging out over here somewhere. Boot looks pretty good. It just kind of fell off on its own. But this little jewel right here, I pushed in with my chisel, and it slides up off there. When I go to put that back on, I'll flare that back out like this, and it'll shove on easier. So